Hey, hello everyone, this is Rutik and today is our day 6th of earning money using the AI. Yeah, I know long time no see, but there is a lots of tasks, lots of things are going on. We know we are in hackathon and we have to deliver our product in a 7 days, and this product should be earn money using the using the AI and all. So let me tell you how's my day going on and whatnot. Actually, we are sleeping around the 5 a.m. at the night, and actually we doing work from the 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. at the night, and yeah, it is 15 to 16 or 18 hours of shift I feel. But yeah, we have to give our 100%, not 100%, like a 120%. So we are giving it, and let me tell you the progress of day 6. The main problem or the main curiosity is if we are able to earning money or not. So my answer is yes, we are able to earning money. We have some live users as well, so they are paying us. Our functionality, our core functionality is live, user able to use it. Our UI was ready, which it is a user interactive, user experience was good, and we fixed lots of things. But we feel the most important part is UI and the core functionality as well as your implementation. So our payment gateways, back end, front end, lots of things are already done. Functionality was not perfect, but we can say it is good for the user who interact with our website. And yeah, there is one section where they gives us feedback that how we need to improve and all. But yeah, we are able to earn money. That was the important part, we feel. And let me tell you the approach. When we did the core functionality and UI part, simultaneously we started the ad runs as well. So it's generating the little bit traffic. And but on the day 5th or day 6th, we go full on to the marketing, like we running ads on the Facebook, blogs for the community, and lots of things. And from today we feel that we need to upload some short content, and the workflows of our website, like user able to see how we can use it, and lots of things are there. And for that we are already shooting the videos and all, and we are trying to implement or post it on social media, like LinkedIn. We have the YouTube as well, we have the Instagram as well. So lots of things are there, and we are going full on the marketing. Actually, for the product, let me be honest, we are using the lots of paid tool. Like they have 10 to $30 of subscription for the backend, for the different AI models, like API keys we needed. But we feel all of them are worth it, because the product we want to deliver, which solve the problems of lots of peoples who related to the AC industry, I feel. And if the product gonna solve the lots of problems or lots of we can say the issues, so yeah, it's worth it to invest the money in it. And I feel the revenue was started, and I feel we get the good amount of revenue at end of the 7th day and end of the month or end of the year. So we can say that it is a successful product. And yeah, I personally feel the earning money using AI might be difficult but not impossible if we have the good idea and great way to implement it and a great way to market it. So we can able to achieve money or earn money anyhow. So here is we all we need, the dedication, long nights, long hours, as well as the good idea, implementation, and all sort of things. And first of all, let me give my job update. So from I think 7 to 8 days, last 7 to 8 days, I am not finding any jobs. I am doing this hackathon, and I feel I need to try some different things, because we know our industry was moving very fastly actually. We know the what is the future, because AI was growing so rapidly, and we have to try some different things, like development using the AI as well. So I am taking the I actually am take the I take the I think 1 week of break from the job finding, but I will resume it from the Monday. Till then, bye bye. If you have any doubt how to achieve our goal, or how to get money, how to earn money using the AI, or if you need any sort of a roadmap, how we can develop our application and all sort of things, please comment it down. I will reach to you and solve your all queries. So bye bye then. Let's meet tomorrow once again.